Hi, Stuart Proctor here from Distinctive Homes. Today we're in the charming Kent village of Saltwood. We're going to be viewing the new development from Claris Homes, Saltwood Manor. But before we do that, let's see what Saltwood has to offer you as a family. So as we have a little wander around the village, you can see we've got the old village hall there. We've got some beautiful period style cottages. It really is an unspoilt example of a quintessential Kentish village. So here we are, Saltwood Manor, open day this Saturday, January the 17th, 10 AM to 3 PM. Please make sure that you park in the village, or there's a country park up the road where you can grab a coffee and maybe a bacon sandwich before you come down. Right, let's have a look inside the property, shall we? So here we are in this beautiful kitchen dining area. I'm just doing a little pan around video. So we've got a pantry over here, all underfloor heating except the pantry, need to keep that nice and cool. Big utility area. And then just off to the left here, we're going to have a nice snug, which is going to be fully carpeted. As we walk up the stairs, fantastic lighting coming down from the ceiling, both matching. Beautiful view out into the back garden. Apologies with the lighting. And we come onto the middle floor. So into one of the bedrooms here. Plenty of room. So still to put the basin on. You see that lovely shower unit. Bedroom number 2 features a lovely walk-in wardrobe, yet to put the doors on. Have a quick scan around. So you can see it's got enough room there for a Super King, media wall. Also look at the LED lighting, which I'll give you a quick demonstration, hopefully, if I can do it. No, I can't, but it does change colour. Into the bathroom, lovely big bathtub. There's going to be a his and hers basins on top, yet to put that one on, and a beautiful shower area. As we come out, we're going to walk down the hallway, past the previous bedroom we've just viewed. Another quick view of the beautiful lights. Into bedroom number 3. Look at that. Look at the tiling on that, lovely. So again, yet to put the basin on, big bath with a shower. As we come out of here, into possibly my favourite bedroom because it's nice and cosy and because of the arched corner and the pole. Nice mood lighting on the wall, another small inbuilt wardrobe, and then with its own ensuite bathroom. So I'm going to keep this running just so you can see the size of the house. We're just going to go up the stairs again to the top floor. And again from here, I'm going to try and zoom in to see if you can see it. No, you can't, it's just zoomed in, unfortunately, to the rain on the glass. So, full-on media room. So this is kind of, you'd turn this into your cinema room here. And then we wander across the hallway into the largest bedroom up here, which of course, you've got your choice really, whether it's here or downstairs as the master. I would probably take downstairs because of the bathtub. And you've got a lovely ensuite bathroom. Right, let's get some footage from out the back so you can see the back of the house. So just before we go and have a look at the back garden, just wanted to point out the 3-car garage. Unfortunately, all the tradesmen's vehicles are in front of it, but as you can see above, you've got the annex, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Right, let's take a look at the rear of Saltwood Manor. So I just want to have a little pan around the rear of Saltwood Manor. I don't really want to step onto the grass So I'm going to keep onto the hard surface because it's quite wet and miserable out here today. But the garden is designed by the award-winning Bruce Waldock, and as you can see, it fits in really nice with the Georgian Art Deco style house that Saltwood Manor is. I'm just walking along here so you can get another view from the other side. So again, we're going to walk down here, mini palm trees, and we're going to pan round and we're going to look at the whole of the rear of Saltwood Manor. What a property. Open day this weekend, Saturday the 17th of January, 10 till 3. Come down and view this fantastic property. I'm Stuart Proctor, signing out from Saltwood Manor.